Hey guys, welcome back to the Thirsty Collective. This is Cooper and
Marnie. Spleezer. We got a Marnie box.
we've got a Marnie box. Yep. Okay, so I believe this is pretty much like standard ETB on normal. It's got 8 packs inside of it, so on your average ETBs that would come out, there's 8, but I know in Champions Path there's like, 10 in there? So basically we got an ETB here.
And a mat.
It comes with a play mat, 2 promo cards, and 2 pins. So
I didn't look at it like that.
I don't believe we've opened this on the channel, so I guess at this point we're unveiling it, reviewing the package. I like it. I think it looks really nice.
Grimmsnarl.
I like the Morpico.
Morpico.
More Pico. What is it?
Gorlami.
More salami. Let's check out his mat.
It's like a big mouse pad. Whoa. Marnie's cute.
That turned out really cool.
Grimmsnarl's just sitting there snarling.
Snarling.
Morpico's just over there peeking around.
Makes sense.
Huh. Kit.
It looks like they put some tape on the packs to hold them in.
That's weird.
That is weird. Guess they didn't want them sliding out of view like they do sometimes, where it looks like there's less in there. They've been stolen out of it.
I haven't seen them do that before.
No, I think that's a new.
This pack's counterfeit.
Off, get some more stuff out.
I think this is a counterfeit Marnie box, guys.
Oh, that's not.
Nice.
Your counterfeit splooge. An imposter.
Imposter. Yo, that's a Charizard in that pack you just touched.
I bet it is. That'd be great.
I saw it.
Here are the pins.
What are you gonna do with those? Have you
So with
started,
my other pins.
have you started displaying your pens yet?
No, I'm gonna get a corkboard and put them all in.
I need a bigger cork board.
I need a big corkboard.
Yeah.
All the cork aboard is what I need.
Let's go find a cork tree.
I don't even know. I wish I knew where those are indigenous to. I've seen a video on it before.
They're in like Africa or something, aren't they?
There's some specific place where people harvest cork. Cork.
Yeah, I'm just gonna open it.
Just go for it. If you guys haven't already done it, remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna have to say that it's not my favorite playmat, only because I don't really care about the person or the Pokemon on it very much. Morpico's okay. Marnie's not my favorite person. She's kind of cute.
You can get a lot of hate in the comments.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm 30 years old. I'm all about Misty.
Misty, Hattery, Sonia, not in focus. Beedrill, Nickit, Inkay, Roly Coly, Sizzlepede, Purloin, got a Machop, got a Hatterene. There's your energy that didn't show.
Alright.
Come on, not the Hatterenes again. I want to see Charizards.
Me too. Code for you. Psychic energy. No, that didn't work out. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Victini. Pokeball. Inkay. Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Full Heal. Roly-Poly. And I've got the Eldegoss V.
Cute. I got really excited.
I did too. I saw a lot of shiny and I got really excited for a
That was
second.
the shiny Charizard.
Oh god. Well, that's just what we're looking for. We're looking for it. We want it. Keep thinking that way and it'll happen. I'm gonna keep thinking that.
Bartle do. I feel like there's gonna be an all creamy VMAX in here, but I want it to be a Charizard.
I hope you're right and wrong at the same time then.
Milo! Stadium Beedrill, here's that code. Vulpix, Inkay, Pokeball, Sizzlepede. There's something in the back. Zug.
Oh, nice. A Gardevoir VMAX. I do have one of those.
Now you have two.
Now I have two.
What's the odds of you pulling that card twice?
With this set.
Dang, okay. Y'all want to trade? There's a hyper rare version of that I pulled the other day.
It's really pretty. The hyper rare of it?
Yeah.
I believe I have the hyper rare. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure.
The rainbow?
Water.
Dang.
Machoke, Kabu, Absol, Swablu, Scraggy, Carvana, Zigzagoon, Kakuna, Roly-Coly, and then we got an Obstagoon. Dang, I hate this Obstagoon. Y'all time. Job's done. Right-o.
The set's,
Undo.
the set's so small.
But yet, I guess so big because I cannot at least get the Charizards.
Well, I've opened like 3 other ETBs off camera and I didn't pull like anything really.
That scares me.
That's weird.
That scares me.
I don't understand. The pull rates. We've pulled like 50 Hatterings and like 50 of like the Obstagoons and like one Charizard. Kaboo, Absol, Purloin, Akons, Potion, Vulpix, Zigzagoon, and there's the Marnie. Hey girl. Okay, no more Marnies, please. 3 packs of Charizard. Go.
Arbok, Rodon Bike, Suspicious Food Tin, Full Heal, Scraggy, Purloin, Machamp, Nickit, Great Ball. Oh, the Venusaur V.
Nice.
That's cool.
It's a nice card. I wish it was a VMAX. I want like a Venusaur VMAX.
Yeah, that would be cool. That would be cool.
It's fun to say. Venusaur VMAX.
Venusaur VMAX. How many times do you get to say it double V? Ooh, double V.
We open those.
That's kind of like in Spanish. It's nice to say double because that's how you say W.
We open those double V boxes.
Double boxes. Double. Say double.
Charizard.
Double.
Double V.
Yeah, there you go. It's like starting a car. Double.
Wait. You know they had cars that would blow up back in the day?
Cards? Like so explosive cards? You use them in combat?
No, cars. Like they ran like water boilers.
Cars still blow up.
Yeah, you're right. There's something in the back. Okay, Kabu. Beta. Here's your code.
Bring me something good.
Vulpix. Oh, God.
Okay. So there's a rainbow back there.
Roly-Coly, Zigzagoon, and Weedle. We got a Hyper Potion and we got a Dreadnought VMAX.
Rainbow. I like his little collar necklace.
I don't have that. You have that. That's nice. That's a nice pull, dude. I wasn't looking for that.
I'll trade you that for one of your Charizards.
For pulling another one, not.
If I know the other one, not. Retract that immediately.
My suit is black knot.
1 pack left.
That's a nice card, though, dude.
Yep, I'm all about that.
Cool.
All about that. See, Great Ball, Milo, Turffield Stadium, my neighbor's lawnmower started, Carvana, Potion, Vulpix, Machamp.
Oh,
does anybody else have a neighbor that thinks that they have to mow every single day because leaves are on the ground?
I'm pretty sure my neighbor was mowing until 8:45 last night. I was confused.
It's like every single leaf that hits the ground, they're like, oh, let's go start the mower up. There's a leaf on the ground. Machamp, Roly-Coly, Great Ball, Lycanroc. That was the last pack. I bet if I had been more positive, something better would have been at the end of that pack. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to get all the cards together and we'll show you. Back. We have Roly-Coly. We have Grimmsnarl V. We have Morpeko V. We have Marnie. We have Hyper Potion. We have Zigzagoon. We have Machop. We have Hatterene. We have Great Ball. We have Roly-Coly Reverse. We have Obstagoon. We have Lycanroc Hollow. We have Great Ball Reverse, which barely looks like it. We got Dreadnought VMAX, which is Rainbow. What do you think about that, Spleech?
I'm going to look it up.
And then we got Venusaur V. We got Gardevoir VMAX. And Eldegoss V. I'm all about that Dreadnought.
It was $25. Now it's $19.
Oh well, that's still really cool.
It is very cool.
I like it. I like it. So, if you guys haven't already done it, remember to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Stay thirsty.